Ever wanted to capture something amazing you saw on your Mac? I'm going to show you multiple ways to take screenshots on your Mac, so you can easily save and share anything you see. First, to capture your entire screen, press Command, Shift, and the number 3 all at the same time. You'll see a small thumbnail appear briefly in the corner of your screen. This indicates that the screenshot has been saved to your desktop. Now, let's say you only want to capture a portion of your screen. Press Command, Shift, and the number 4 together. Your cursor will change into a crosshair. Click and drag this crosshair to select the area you want to capture. Once you release the mouse button, the selected area will be saved as a screenshot on your desktop. Need to grab a specific window? Press Command, Shift, and 4 again, but this time, press the spacebar. The crosshair will turn into a camera icon. Move this camera over the window you want to capture, and it will highlight. Simply click on the window, and macOS will take a screenshot of just that window, saving it to your desktop. Another method is using the Screenshot app. Press Command, Shift, and 5 to open the Screenshot app. This provides more options, like capturing a video recording of your screen. Experiment with these different options to find the method that works best for you. And that's it. Now you know how to take screenshots on your Mac. Use these techniques to easily share and save anything you see.